twisted metal everywhere and campers turned upside down.
Marie Tucker is still trying to process the damage done.
It's just devastating. I mean, I worked so hard. This was my lifelong dream to own my own business.
The storm tore through her Campbellsville community staple early Thursday morning. Emergency officials believe it was a tornado.
At least an EF0 and most likely an EF1 tornado.
Towards the end of its 2 miles of destruction, it ripped off the roof of Tucker's Tiki Bar and Restaurant, causing about 4 inches of flooding.
There's a significant amount of damage, but we're trying to save as much as we can because a lot of stuff got wet.
Right behind the restaurant, this RV was in the direct path of the storm. You can see it's just completely destroyed. And I talked to the man who calls this home, who was inside the moment it happened.
I didn't really feel anything at the time. Adrenaline was rushing, I guess. I'm thankful I'm alive. I can guarantee you that.
Despite the camper flipping over, he was not hurt. Katie Dean was also in a camper when the storm rolled through.
I couldn't even scream. Like, I had no breath to even scream. It was that scary.
The owner of the RV park and restaurant says about 15 campers were totaled.
I'm so thankful that nobody was killed or hurt.
Knowing intense rain is not letting up anytime soon, the community is rallying around this family business.
Now go.
Doing what they can to rebuild and hopefully reopen by this summer.
Everybody's taking care of everybody. That's what we do.
In Taylor County, Madeline Carter, WLKY News.